Hello everyone, myself Adarsh Pandey, and today we are going to discuss about the topic electric charge and their basic properties. So let's start. First is what is electric charge? So the electric charge is a fundamental property of matter that governs how object experiences electric forces determining their interaction with electric or magnetic field. Charge can be positive or negative, occur in discrete natural unit, and is neither be created nor be destroyed. It is the fundamental property of the charge, the conservation of charge. Now, let's talk about the origin of charge, which is subatomic particles, protons and electrons. Protons carry a positive electric charge while electrons carry a negative electric charge. And now talk about the units of electric charge, which is coulomb. This is the SI unit of the charge. The elementary charge is the magnitude of charge on a single proton or electron, and the value of elementary charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now let's talk about types of electric charge. First is positive charge, which is known as protons, and second is negative charge, also known as electrons. Protons are subatomic particles found in the atomic nucleus, and they carry a fundamental positive electric charge, and they are denoted by P plus as you see on the screen, and its mass is 1.67 to 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. Whereas electrons are elementary particles that orbit the atomic nucleus. They possess a fundamental negative electric charge and they are crucial for chemical bonding. And their mass is approx 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. There are also some neutral objects, also known as balance charges. So, an object is electrically neutral when it contains an equal number of positive protons and negative electrons, resulting in no net electric charge. It means like charge repel each other and unlike attract each other. Now let's talk about interaction of charges. In this way we also understand the electrostatic forces. So first is like charges repel. So objects with identical charges exert a repulsive force on each other, pushing each other apart. It is due to the repulsive electrostatic force that pushes them apart. And the second one is opposite charges attract each other. Here, particles with contrasting charges exert an attractive force, drawing them towards each other. It means different charges attract each other. Now, we discuss the basic or the key properties of electric charge. First is quantization of charge. Charge exists as a discrete packets, always an integral multiple of elementary charge E. It means charge on any object is always the integral multiple of charge on one electron. And value of E is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It was discovered by Robert Millikan's famous oil drop experiment. Now our second property is conservation of charge. This property tells us that the total electric charge within an isolated system remains constant over time, and charge is neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred between the objects. It is the fundamental law. It tells us that the net charge on the universe is conserved. And our third and the last property is charge invariance. This property tells us that the magnitude of electric charge on a particle is independent of the observer's velocity. It remains constant even under relativistic conditions. This property simplifies the calculation in high energy physics. Now this is a summary of our video. In this video we study about the core concepts of the electric charge, where we studied that electric charge is a fundamental property of matter that experiences force in an electromagnetic field. It can be positive or negative. Then we study about the key principles or properties of electric charge, where we study about the conservation of charge, that charge is neither be created or nor be destroyed, and quantization, which tells us that charge exists in discrete unit, and charge on any object is always the integral multiple of charge on one electron. And we also study about the additivity, which tells us that charge sums algebraically. And we also study about the units of charge, which is coulomb, and it is denoted by Q. Thank you for watching the video.